we're gonna be making some beef stew. So first of all, you're gonna want to get your beef of choice. Then you're gonna want to get your beef broth. Any type of potatoes, carrots, onions, white onions specifically, and then minced garlic, or any other type of vegetable you want to add in there. Also, make sure to wash your hands. Now you're gonna want to put some flour in a bowl alongside some salt and pepper. Now coat your beef of choice in the flour mixture. And then fill a pan with oil and put it on the stove on medium heat. Move the beef over to the pan and let it simmer. Grab an onion and crush it with your bare hands. Without using a knife, of course. Now that your beef's done, move it over to a plate. You could throw your onions in the oil that you have left over from the beef and season it with salt and pepper, alongside a touch of garlic. You don't have to do this, but I like to add a little bit of taco seasoning. Now you're going to want to get your tomatoes, pour a little bit of tomato juice in there, and then drain out all the grease. Put that away and add some flour. Now add some beef broth. Then you can add your beef back in. And then throw it all in a pot, which you're then going to throw on the stove with more beef broth. And a little bit of cayenne pepper. Now you're going to stir it and add your vegetables of choice. And finally, after an hour simmering, this is what it looks like.